Foundation can be applied simply using your fingers. Using your fingertips, apply foundation to your face, cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Gently spread using your fingers and rub into the skin. To avoid visible foundation lines and sharp transitions, make sure the foundation is evened out at the edges of your face. Don't forget the eyelids and the under eye area. Lightly tap residual foundation from your fingertips over the eyelids. To lighten and freshen up the under eye area, apply highlighter over the eye circles, creating a crescent shape. Gently tap to blend with the base perfectly. After you've applied foundation and covered the eye circles, fixate the base using transparent pressed powder or loose powder. Fixating will provide a longer lasting base. Using an eyeshadow brush, apply caramel colored eyeshadow over the eyelid, starting from the eyelashes all the way to the crease. Using a clean blending brush, soften the fresh layer at the crease to avoid sharp edges. Apply the same eyeshadow under the waterline using a suitable brush. Before mascara application, curl your eyelashes with a lash curler. Position the lash curler along the eyelid, just at the lash roots, and gently press several times. Consider the following. You should include all eyelashes, be careful not to pinch the lid, and never lean the lash curler or your hand onto the face. Mascara should be applied from the lash roots. Start by gently rubbing mascara into the lash roots and slowly pull the brush toward the ends. In case mascara smudges onto the lid, remove it using a cotton swab. If necessary, apply mascara on your lower eyelashes. Product application will be easier if you look slightly upwards. Comb through your eyebrows using a spoolie brush. If you want to correct or define your eyebrows, fill them in using brow powder or an eyebrow pencil. Following the shading, comb through your eyebrows one more time to remove excess product and achieve a neat final form. Using a suitable brush, gently apply blush in a vivid pink tone, starting from the cheek and moving toward the cheekbone. Your brush stroke should always be gentle and light. Apply lipstick in warm pink, similar to a natural lip color. Make sure the lipstick is creamy and sheer. Avoid matte lipsticks for this look.